Man, Drew, I gotta show you this. It is so easy to set up your blood work nationwide through TypeMedicalCenter.com's website. It's crazy. So just go to TypeMedicalCenter.com, hit that blood panel tab right there.
Got it.
Add it to cart, whether it's a male or a female. And at that point, go to the cart, check out, you'll pay for it, and man, they email you over your slip right there.
Wow.
And the locations, like you click this link, you put your zip code in, done. You just take that slip in to the lab, no payments needed after that, no insurance card, they're gonna draw the blood, and they're gonna get the results in 3 to 4 business days. It's super simple and super easy to do, man.
Sounds easy. You can do it from your phone as well, right?
Yeah, from your phone, your tablet, wherever you got. Nice. Man, we gotta get the word out on this, man. Because
let's do it.
A lot of people can take advantage of blood work nationwide without even talking to anybody. So go to TypeMedicalCenter.com, get that lab work set up, and get that blood check.
You heard it here first, TypeMedicalCenter.com, blood test nationwide.